Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the radio silence on here for the past while. I don't think I've uploaded a video since like February, like right before I went to Ireland, or even like when I was in Ireland. So sorry about that, but I am back today with a new releases video. I am so obsessed with these new releases that I just like had to get them on video for you guys so you could see them in person. Well, as close to in person as you possibly could. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it, and I'm going to start with a reformatted collection. This was called Wanderer last year, but I actually reformatted it and called it Jane this year. So this is Jane, and you guys requested this to come back. You guys loved this kit. I used this the week that Gary and I moved to Arizona last summer, and I absolutely loved it. So I decided to bring it back in the new format. So these are the glitter headers. These come with the No White Space kit, but they do not come with all the other kits, but you can buy them a la carte. Then you have the full boxes page, which is so pretty. I love this page so much. The colors in this collection are so nice. They're like really different for what I normally do in collections, but I really like them. You have the functional page, checklists and little things, ombre hair checklists, washi, and half boxes. So that is the full No White Space Wanderer collection. And then I do have, hold on, why didn't I bring it? I didn't bring over the mini kits or the white space kits for any of the collections apparently. Okay, then we do have the mini kit, which is sized to fit the Erin Condren horizontal, but can also be used in like TN inserts or ring inserts as well. So the boxes are just a little bit shorter. And then we also have the white space kit, which is the same full boxes as the No White Space kit, the same functional sheet, and then this is the washi sheet, and the half boxes, date covers, headers, and a little bit more washi. So that is the Jane collection. Did I call it Wanderer again? It's Jane. I'm living in the past, guys. So that is the Jane collection, and all of these collections are available now as I'm recording this. The next collection that I want to share with you is, like, you guys, I'm way more obsessed with this than I thought I was gonna be. And I got this in my head to do this last week, and I was like so annoyed with myself that I didn't think to do this sooner, but it is what it is. And it is a Jersey Shore kit. You guys, can we just talk about it? I drew all of this myself except for the digital papers in the back. I like mixed and matched some like I normally do. I never normally like draw the digital papers myself. I normally just draw like the clip art elements. But I am so excited about this kit. You have Sammy up here with her note that says Dear Sam, and then I'm done with the kid. Please stop abusing our duck phone. It's like a war zone out there with the grenade whistle. Shut your mouth, you dirty little hamster. Hold my earrings, please, with Snooki's poof. And you have a shot of tequila and a bottle of vodka, and it just says shots, shots, shots down there in small writing. But you guys, this collection just turned out way better than I ever expected it to, and I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to use this when it comes back on April 5th, but if you're not in the US, or if you are and you want to like use it for Jersey Shore, you can also use it for like when the finale is on. So if you do order this weekend, I will say you probably will get it if you live in the US by the premiere date, so I wouldn't worry about that. But if you are international, I would say bank on using it for the finale and not for the premiere. So these are the full boxes, and then you also have the glitter headers. And I wanted the colors for this collection just to be like super loud and like party-like. I didn't want them to be like muted at all, because I just thought like that just screamed Jersey Shore. So these are the colors I came up with, and picking colors for this collection was so freaking hard, but I think it turned out incredible, and I haven't seen anybody do a Jersey Shore kit, and I'm so excited about it. So yeah. I'm like really excited. I'm gonna be posting a picture actually. this week of me dressed up as Snooki, because for my 20th birthday, I had a TV show theme and I dressed up as Snooki, and I like put fake tan on like every single hour for like 10 hours. And I had like a leopard print dress. I had the big hoop earrings. I made her like sunglasses that have all the rhinestones on it. So I'm gonna post a picture of that on Instagram. So head on over there. But yeah, I'm like just obsessed with Jersey Shore. So this is the white space kit. So you have the same full boxes, the same functional, the washi, and the half boxes sheet, I guess I'll call it. And then you also have the mini kit. Oh, and I never said this one is called Snooki, obviously, because she's the best. But yeah, I'm definitely using this the week that it premieres. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this into my collection right now. And last but not least, we have another collection, which is absolutely gorgeous. And this is the Mimi collection. Let me just get the other bits in here. So this is the Mimi collection, and there's actually a special freebie with this collection. So if you order, if you're one of the first 24 people to buy any piece of the Mimi collection, you get a free rosebud clip from the yellow key that matches the collection. And I'm really excited about this. I did have 30 of these, but I came back from the supermarket yesterday and Cooper had gotten into the bag and he ate 6 of them. So yeah, I was really not happy, but at least I still have 24 to give to you guys. So, but yeah, anyway, this is the Mimi collection and it is absolutely stunning. I think this is my favorite collection besides the Jersey Shore collection that I have released this year. So these are the glitter headers and I just love this color scheme. I'm actually going to be using this kit next week, and I'm hoping to have a plan with me up with it on Monday. So you have the full boxes, True Beauty comes from within, what she tackles, she conquers. You have the bike and so many florals. I just love it. You have the functional page, the headers and little things, and I did change up the fonts for this because I just wanted it to be really like girly and dainty. The ombre heart checklists, the washi, which I love this washi. It actually like goes like this, like with the navy. Well, you can do it anyway, I guess, but I had imagined it going with like the navy at the bottom, and I just love it. And then the half boxes, and I did it a little bit differently with this collection too. I added in like more patterns into like some of the other elements, like the half boxes and stuff, and I think it turned out really pretty. So let me know what you guys think. And I also changed the font for the date covers. And then these are the second 2 pages of the white space collection. Like I said, you get the same full boxes page and the same functional page, but you also get this washi page and this half boxes page. Then you have the mini kit. And then you also have a monthly kit for this, and I'm going to be using this monthly kit in April, and I'm going to be putting a plan with me up just to show like how I use it, because we did recently reformat the monthly kits. So this is the base kit. This is the first page. So you have your 2 top strips, all of your days of the week that are separate, so it works for any planner. Then you have your bill labels and your like event labels. And this doesn't have a month in it, particularly because, or specifically because we have months that you can add on, or we have months that you could buy separately, so that you can like buy this and then decide what month you want to use it on. So take a look at the video that I post. I also did mention this, didn't I? I don't know if I actually filmed a video on this. Did I film a video on this? I can't remember if I filmed a video on our May collection. I actually really don't think I did. Hold on, let me grab the headers. Okay, so I don't think I filmed this. I think I only filmed it in a Facebook video, but these are now available in our shop, so you can buy like all of the months separately, because a lot of people were saying they didn't want to decide like when they bought it what month they wanted to use it for, so they wanted like the option to like have the months separate, which I appreciate. So I made these, and then you can just like, I'll probably use like these months. These are the feminine months. I'll probably use these months and just like stick April on there. So this is the first page of the base kit. And then this is the second page of the base kit. This changed up a little bit. You have 4 boxes instead of 2. The date dots are on another page. And then you have, like normal, your headers, your checklists, and your glitter labels. And then this is the deluxe kit. So with the deluxe kit, you will get these 2 pages, and you will also get these 2 pages. So you can either buy it in a base kit with just these 2 or the deluxe kit. So you get a ton of icons here. You get all of your date dots. You get a little bit of functional, or you get a little bit of icons, I guess. Oh, I'm out of breath. You get 4 glitter flags, 2 bigger flags, and then 4 more event labels. And then in this page, you get 2 like strips of washi, but they're cut. So this section is cut in 2 2-day strips, and then this section is cut in a 3-day strip and a 1-day strip. So you can see it there. This is because a lot of people wanted to cover up the days of the month that weren't in that month in the Erin Condren, you know, the ones that are grayed out. But because I was doing them like with whatever month you could pick, I couldn't really figure out an option for that because I changed the month myself and all the months are different. So I figured I would offer these 2 washi strips with them cut, and if there is a week or a month where it's like doesn't line up with these, you can always just use an X-Acto knife or a scissors and cut them. But you also get 2 of these, like, I call them like vacation washi strips or something like that. But they're just thin washi strips. You get 2 happy birthday labels, 4 payday labels, and 4 scalloped labels. So that is the deluxe kit. And like I said, the deluxe kit does come with 4 sheets. Then these are the add-ons. So you have the finances add-on, the YouTuber add-on, these haven't changed, the fitness add-on, and the mom life add-on. So that is all of our new releases for this week. I think that's enough. I mean, I feel like 3 collections, especially because I literally decided to do Jersey Shore like very last minute. I normally have these like way more prepared, but yeah, I just like had to do Jersey Shore because, I mean, obvious reasons. But I really like the mix of collections that I have coming out this week. I think like it's a really nice mix. And also don't forget, if you are one of the first 24 orders, you will get a yellow key bow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, these new releases are live on our website and on Etsy right now. So definitely go check them out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.